Okay, Ben Demar again here. This is a 1954 5.5 horsepower Johnson, a cd-11. This is my 2020 motor. Tried to sell it at Tomahawk National OMCI meet for $20 and nobody would buy it. I gave it a 20-minute paint job and it looks pretty good from 20 feet away. Runs good. We'll fire it up here. We're on a 14-foot aluminum boat. Fishing opener, 2011. First time this motor has run. Still a little ignition misfire, but it's been raining all day. I think some moisture got in it when it was sitting on the ground out there. Maybe just some run time will help. Bill running the little one-horse Johnson, 39. I think it just needs a little running. It does have new plug wires on it. I think it just got a little moisture under the mag plate. Straight up, got the points a little wet from sitting in the rain all weekend. But that's that. Thank you.